So today we'll still be taking our work on data manipulation, right? So these are charts, right? So we just want to tweak some things here and there. We want to change one or two things. We want to make it look better, right? So how do we go about this? So the first thing we want to do is, okay, we want to change. How did we even bring this to this point before? So let's undo everything that we've done before the tutorial. Okay, great. So we have our chart looking all crude like this. Okay, looking all crude like this, right? So let's drag this. Let the bar chart be our focus. So we have our chart looking all crude, looking too dry, right? So how do we tweak something? So the first thing I want to do is we want to add descriptions to this bar. We want to add numeric descriptions to this bar. So how do we go about that? So click on this chart element icon. So click on this. So I'm going to, if you click on data tables, you would have tables underneath this that represents the chart that says the same thing that the chart is actually saying. So we don't really need that. So let's ignore that. So let's click on data labels. When you click on data labels, does it brings up numeric descriptions to your bars, right? So you also want to beautify it. It's not looking too good, so just looking like this. So let's beautify it. So click on one of the data label and then it highlights the rest. So right click on the same and then click on fill. So on the fill drop down, click on a beautiful color, right? So let's use color blue, right? And let's also outline the fill, right? So come under outline, click on it. What can you do? Let's give it a black outline. Sorry, I'm not really good with aesthetics, but do what I can. Alright, so from your own end you can also tweak things around, right? Great, good. So this is looking better. Let's also say we want to change the color of this graph space, right, of this interface, right? So come under chart styles, click on it. It suggests several chart styles that you may want. So let's scroll down. Do you want the black one? So if you click on the black one, it changes to this. So you need to do some tweakings again. So you click on this. I don't know, which one do you think is better? Which one do you think is better? Okay, I think this is giving me what I want. Do I want to work with this? No, it's looking too graphic. Okay, so I'm going to work with this. So you can see we basically all basically done. Let's also change the color. So let's say we want something. Let's say we want something like this. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, so yeah, so this is pretty much okay. So let's also change the background. So if you want to change the background too, so you come here to change the background, you right click on the background and then go under fill, and then you can change. Let's change it to a blue background. So if you change it to a blue background, to make the text more visible, you can highlight the text and then change the text color, right? So change this to white. So you can also change other texts too. So you can also increase the text size, but we'll get to that in a bit. So let's change the text here. So go to font. Under font, you see font color. So change it to white. Click on OK. You can see that the fonts there have changed. Right, go under, click on the axis also. So do the same thing. Go under font, click on font color, click on white. You've changed it, right? So you can also click on the data labels too. So right click, go to font color, change. Okay, good. So let's also redo Let's also, redo the beautification of the detail. Click on it, so we can go to fill. So now we need to change the fill, right? So let's change it to something like this, right? And give it a more reasonable outline. So this is looking pretty much okay, right? So I think from your own end, you can also do other tweakings. You can make other adjustments and see where that leads you, right? I hope you've been able to learn something. Please do well to share this video, do well to like, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for the next.